what I want to do, we are women of 20. Those women, we want to build the big garden for us, for the sick people, unemployed, and also we want to create jobs because sometimes we can sell the spinach. We can sell the veggies. It helps us in the soup kitchen, in the community. We deliver them. Those one who have nothing in their houses. We need this land. We need it. Even there is a lady. Is Nombeko? Yeah, this is Nombeko. It's one of the ladies who's got a food garden. Nombeko teta get bad, basifunel bad. Chonga apa nangu, chonga apa. Yeah, Victoria is teta ba cell phone.
Really, we need this field. We want to make a garden there. So it is dirty.
Wasteful land.
Wasteland, yeah. And then we need
To make
a
a big garden.
garden.
Yes. And
the
instead,
yard.
yeah. And instead now, this is a dumping area. And it makes our community dirty because there's food, there's toilet, there's everything there. Even our children, they are playing in a dirty place. We need this land. If we can give us this land. We are women of 20. We need this land. We need this land.